In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line chat on Site123. If you want visitors to message you online with a single tap, the easiest way is to add a line button or link to your Site123 site. Before we start, make sure you have your line contact ready. You can use either a direct line link associated with your line ID or a QR code. In this walkthrough, we'll add a clickable link because it's the fastest method and works beautifully on both desktop and mobile. Head to the Site123 website and log into your account. From your dashboard, open the project you want to update and click Edit Website to launch the site editor. This is where we'll place the line call to action so visitors can reach you quickly. Inside the editor, open the Pages panel. Choose the page where you'd like the line option to appear. Many people add it to the contact or home page, but any page is fine as long as your audience will see it. With that page open, add a new content item. Select button or text so you can create a visible call to action. In the link field, paste your line link. This can be the URL that opens a chat with your account, which lets visitors jump straight into a conversation without hunting for your profile. Give the button clear, friendly text so people know what will happen when they click. Examples include chat with us online or message us online. Keep it short and action focused to boost clicks. Save your changes. When someone clicks this button or link, Line will open instantly. On phones and tablets, it should launch the Line app. On desktops, it may open Line for web or prompt the desktop app depending on the user's setup. Now test everything. Open your published website, find the new Line button, and click it on a phone to confirm the app opens to a chat with you. Repeat the same on a computer to make sure the behavior is smooth there too. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Place the button in a prominent spot, use consistent wording across pages, and double check the link you pasted so it's the exact one tied to your account. That's it. You've added line chat to your Site123 site using a simple button or link. Publish your changes and make it easy for visitors to reach you in the way they already prefer.